back with a bonus video on, I don't remember which vlog this one, it was 9 or 10. But we're back and we're reviewing the hot cocoa like I said.
We have a special guest, Drew, who's here but not here.
Dad, say something.
He's saying cheers. Okay, so what are we trying right now?
First one we're trying is the Snoopy S'more hot cocoa.
Okay, let's give it a taste. I don't like it. It's watery. It's tasteless. It's not chocolatey.
I disagree. I taste a hint of graham cracker in it.
I taste a hint of yuck. Second sip. I'll pass on that one. That's a goner. I give it a 0 out of 0. Mr. Drew, what would you give it? A scale of 1 to 10. Salt finger.
A 1.
He gives it a 1. Mr. Drew gives it a 1. Next.
Next.
That was terrible. Are you sure you did the right water amount? Because that was horrible. I'm picky about hot chocolate. What do we try next?
Marshmallow.
Now we're going to try the marshmallow version. Yay. I'm not looking forward to this one.
Wow.
But thumbs up, it'll be good. Yay. Mr. Drew is watching a Hallmark movie, believe it or not. We'll wait for Ashley. I like this one much better. This is the Snoopy marshmallow version?
No, it's the Swiss Miss.
Swiss Miss
marshmallow.
Marshmallow. Is it from K-Cups? No?
I like this one.
This one's much better.
I get
Mr.
that.
Drew, what do you give it on a scale of 1 to 10?
A 6.
He gives us 6. I'm going to give it a 6, just like him.
6.5.
Oh, that's pretty darn good. All right.
So this
Who
one was
would
the
buy this one
marshmallow.
again? Cheers. All right, as Drew continues to watch the Hallmark movie, we're going to move on to
The bacon one.
the Redneck Bacon Hot Chocolate. This ought to be interesting. I hope it's hot. Let's see if there's any bacony flavor in it. I'm wondering why we're freezing, because we don't have our heat turned up very high. So I'm trying to stay warm. Because Grinch doesn't want the bill to go up. So get ready for some Redneck Bacon Hot Chocolate. I wish Ash would have saved the packaging, but here it comes.
I did say the packaging. I didn't use a whole
You want to
lot.
bring it over here? Where's your dad's? I'm going to do a smell test. I kind of smell bacon. I kind of smell bacon, guys. Smell it, Drew. It smells like bacon. Oh my gosh. I definitely taste fatty, bacony taste. But you know what it tastes like? Bacon grease. It tastes like bacon grease hot chocolate. Scale of 1 to 10, Drew.
0.
I give it a 0.
2 zeros.
That was the most
Disgusting one we have tried as a 3.
First one was watery, but this one takes the cake. It tastes like bacon grease and water. So we won't be buying that again.
So best one I think was the marshmallow one.
You agree, Mr. Drew? He gives it a thumbs up. Mr. Drew, thumbs up. Marshmallow Swiss Miss winner.
Yep.
So do us a favor and don't buy the Redneck Bacon Hot Chocolate. It was disgusting.
It's not good. I don't recommend you buying it.
Next time we come on, we'll have some different flavored beverages. Eggnog with nutmeg, eggnog with cinnamon, eggnog with something else. Who knows? But thanks for watching.
Yep. And we'll see you guys soon.
And Mr. Drew said bye.
Bye.